Ciao amici! Welcome back to Easy Italian class. This is lesson number 3. Today we're going to talk about articles. In Italian, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Most nouns that end with the letter O are masculine, and most nouns that end with the letter A are feminine. There are many exceptions, and also there are nouns that end with the letter E. The best way to know if a word is masculine or feminine is to learn the articles that go with them. So let's look at articles now. So first we'll look at the indefinite article, which is in English a or an. The masculine version of the indefinite article is un or uno. And the feminine version is una or un. And notice that un has an apostrophe there, and it would be connected to the word. So all one word, un. And then I'll give you a few examples here in a second. Here are the indefinite articles with the nouns we saw earlier. On the masculine list, we have un gatto, uno zio, un ombrello. Notice uno, U-N-O, is used with words that begin with Z and some words that begin with S, but not all. On the feminine side, we have una casa and un'amica. Next, we have the definite article, which is English the or the. The masculine definite articles are il, lo, or L', which just makes it the L sound, l. And the feminine ones are la or L'. Now here are the definite articles used with those nouns from earlier. The masculine ones, we have il gatto, lo zio, l'ombrello. Il is used with nouns that begin with a consonant. Lo is for words that begin with a Z or some S nouns. And then the L' is used for nouns that begin with a vowel. On the feminine side, we have la casa and l'amica. La casa, la is used for nouns that begin with a consonant, and then the L' is used with the feminine nouns that begin with a vowel. When the noun becomes plural, the article also changes. So for the masculine ones, we have I and gli. And the feminine side, we have le. And here are the examples with those same nouns. The masculine list, we have I gatti, gli zii, gli ombrelli. Feminine, le case, le amiche. Let's go over the nouns from earlier with their articles. Un gatto, a cat. Il gatto, the cat. I gatti, the cats. Uno zio, an uncle. Lo zio, the uncle. Gli zii, the uncles. Un ombrello, an umbrella. L'ombrello, the umbrella. Gli ombrelli, the umbrellas. Una casa, a house. La casa, the house. Le case, the houses. Un'amica, a friend. L'amica, the friend. Le amiche, the friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Arrivederci.